Hello everyone. I managed to fix two trains. Both of them are made in Japan. This is the Golden Falcon 3202 and this is the diesel locomotive 352. Well, I fixed them to the best of my knowledge and budget. I made some additional modifications because that's the only way I could find to fix them. Both are operational. This one is much more stronger than the other one. I think this one is 1970s or so. Very strong. Got the impression that it has a much more stronger engine than the other one. You will see. That one is running quite well. I fixed the engine is the original one. I just have to replace some gears, and after that it's running great. I added that set of LED lights. I know some people might not agree, but I like when when you turn them on in the darkness. It looks much better to me. I cleaned up the wheels. Now it's running much better. I think it's just a matter of cleaning. See, the sound is, I like it, but it's not that strong as the other one. I replaced the light with a LED bulb, so I think it's much brighter.
Thank you for watching.